Hello dear Aquarius, welcome back to my channel, and this is your reading for the full moon of August 22nd, 2021. So let's begin shuffling. Those who are new to my channel, I would like to tell you that this is your special full moon reading where the cards will tell me about your emotions and the angels will help you go through them, deal with them successfully. So I'm going to pick two cards from this deck. Aquarius, I think I'll go with this one, Angel of Love, and I will go with, I think this one, it is Angel of Kindness. Okay, let's see Aquarius, what's in store for you with the Angel of Love and the Angel of Kindness. Okay, so we'll begin with Angel of Love, which is asking you, are you searching for more love in your life? It says, look within yourself, embrace the love that resides within you, allow it to radiate all around you, become a magnet for love, light and well-being, and these gifts will come. So definitely, I guess you're lacking this sweetness. You're not looking at the love that is stored inside you. You have to become a magnet, which means you'll have to give love first in order to receive. Maybe you're very guarded, maybe you're very sort of like, no, I'm not going to show my emotions to that person unless and until that person shows me that they love me. If you'll wait for that moment, then the other person will also kind of get the vibe that you don't love them, and they also might not open. Maybe they're expecting you to open first. So please open up, become more available and readily available with love, because love begets love. If you show the other person love, then only they will be able to give love, right? If you're waiting for the other person to do that, and if you're finding it hard to let your guards down, then the Angel of Love has some positive affirmation for you. Start speaking it today until the full moon and say it at least 3 times a day. Okay, it says, I am love, and all that surrounds me and all that is attracted to me is love. I look within and love all aspects of myself exactly as I am. I attract love, joy and happiness into my life, and I am comforted. Wow, beautiful. Now we get to the Angel of Kindness, which is asking you, do you need more sweetness in your life? We all do, don't we? Are you gentle with yourself in your words and thoughts? It's saying, treat yourself with kindness, cultivate loving friends, family and environment. Be your own best friend and the best friend you can be to others. So maybe you're not showing kindness to yourself, maybe you're not showing love to yourself. So start loving yourself, because people are gonna see you how you're gonna show them, right? So if you show them that you don't love yourself, you're not taking care of yourself, your health, you're shabbily dressed, not taking a shower, that means you don't love yourself, right? You're just not living, you're just surviving. What are the vibes that you're sending to the other person? If you're taking care of yourself, nails are polished. I'm not necessarily saying that that's a way of taking care of yourself. We all have our own ways. So you have to see what messages you're sending to the other person. Love yourself. They should see that you take care of yourself. They should see that you're kind to yourself. They should see and feel that the way you talk to yourself is the way you talk to others, right? If you treat yourself shabbily and give respect to the other person, they'll be like, this person is being fake, or this person is two-faced, because I just heard him talking to himself, and why is he being polite to me when he can't be polite to himself? Stuff like that. So if you're finding it hard to be kind to yourself, then I would suggest, Aquarius, that you say these positive affirmations from the Angel of Kindness, which is, I am blessed with nurturing vibrations wherever I go. I recognize that kind-heartedness brings about better life situations. I am gentle with myself. I am kind and compassionate with myself and others. I enjoy loving relationships, right? So you have to show kindness to yourself and to others. You have to be a good friend to yourself and to others. If you're expecting not to be a good friend, but the good friend to be a good friend to you, that's not gonna happen. I hope I make sense. So be a good friend first, then start expecting from others. Okay, it starts from you. So great, this was your reading for the full moon. I hope it helped. You guys take care, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.